made Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's Androma.
Jamaica, what keep? Cause something always a go on. Panda the island is never a dull moment. Something always a put on. Miss World Jamaica Candy, she's looking nice. She's on the run, right out. Can she get a wow?
Wow.
Waterway?
Wow.
Walipa?
Wow.
Them love her?
Wow.
Them not hate her?
Wow.
Anthony interview her?
Wow.
Then them kidnap her?
Wow.
Kangul save her?
Wow.
Jamaica, what keep? What a way Goody Flag of UK came and all these things. Goody? On the Macrellians, better don't make her marry here on the way. She come out in a video in a one piece of anger. I say she alone named Goody and it's a legal matter. And meanwhile she a quarrel, Gangul in a say him bust mackerel. Jamaica, walk it. Hey, no matter how the summer hot, Spice must have pulled it down from the spot. And we are Paris, Mr. the girl gone in a 1 year. You think them girl are fool? But me there I wonder. The baby father plan for helping back to school. Jamaica, what keep? A man still a kill off them woman in a domestic violence. Them still a abduct look picnic, rob them of them innocence. Rest in peace of the new slang. So much sadness in the home. Miss a dirty man, leave the people pitney them alone. Jamaica, how are really a keep? Come in here so the PM sell out the cockpit country. I want Rastaman to hear with it. What? So that means we don't have no cock left? Sorry, I mean cockpit. No man, I need to stop it. Jamaica, I want that you really a keep. Me never see the church them come together. No matter how much woman and pitney dead. But as LGBT announce pride, them take it up put on their head. Well, God bless LGBT, cause it's the only force that can pull the church and Jamaica in unity. Jamaica, what else I keep? On the top of my ear. Cause anything else I keep is a blouse like what conscience have me I go wear. On a awful, you know. Conscience put on him own clothes, on him own self, make fool of conscience about the owner. Jamaica, walk keep it quick and fast. No bad words please, make sure you have a permit pass. Uno see them lock down some face where they upon 6 bars. One extra keep Jamaica. Oh, you remember Buju Long walk to freedom, the lockdown stadium? Well, them said that not gonna be nothing compared to when Cartel Long walk for come. Wonder if anybody remember said Jesus soon touch down. And the way of him wanna go big, that gonna be a sign. Because the whole world a go host it. Same place, same time. Me not ready. Jamaica, one extra keep. Oh, Candy did appeal to the public for help fix her teeth. And until now, me not see not even one dentist take on the sponsor. Me I wonder if me should write a letter to Miss Donna. She would have helped her. Yeah man, cause Miss Donna run a very transparent program. Then Jamaica, me go in a store one day in New York for buy one cup of coffee. And me hear her, go on with it, go on with it, go on with it, us. May I tell her the truth? You see the way I'm proud? Me just rise and boast. Hey, me didn't have to make the whole store know some he's a Jamaican. Can't ball in a life, man. Jamaica. Hey, what keep? How no love how Mama Rocket do it. Hey, you want to see her upon the ankle leg? How Rocket pocket the spun on the heat. As she was the top, my dear. Hey, as she's a Diamond League. Jamaica, what keep? You know, said Eddie dreamed last night? May his soul rest in peace. Him pinch and tell me something, but it's a secret I have to keep. Me not have a thing to say about him funeral. In fact, I love Eddie. I refuse to say anything about Edward. Me not able them fire me like what them do with the disc jockey. If you wanna know what else I keep Jamaica, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and San Joma.